I just bought a CNC and I have no idea how to use it. Let's see how this goes. So we finally got our package here, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So this is the Artisan desktop CNC machine. And WizMaker likes to brag about how easy the setup is, so I guess we'll see if they actually got bragging rights. So much foam. It's packaged very nicely. So here you can see that it comes with the 300-watt spindle. My goal is to do a decent amount of milling with this thing. I got a 12-inch planer that you can see, but this is a much bigger work area, so I could go ahead and mill things right on this. But because of that, I also upgraded to the 500-watt spindle that you see here. I'm hoping this thing handles the deeper cuts and milling that I want to do. So I'm probably going to just install the 500 right away. A cool looking control panel. Fancy. The amount of foam. Oh, holy crap. This thing is not light. Foam. Ugh. Get out of here. Jeez, is that really it? That was just a handful of screws. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, so WizMaker wasn't joking. That was an incredibly fast setup. But to be honest, I don't care about the setup as much as the quality of the product. I'll spend the extra time if it means I'm getting a better product. But let me tell you, I am not disappointed with this thing. This product is solid. Pretty much the whole thing is solid aluminum, super, super sturdy. And I don't have much experience with CNCs. I do have quite a few laser engravers, and this is just a whole nother level of durability. And I gotta say, I am impressed. One big difference I did notice is the track system that this thing has. It's a solid metal screw track system, which is gonna be much more accurate and much more reliable than the standard track and pulley that a lot of lasers have. And the reason I was looking at this machine is because of the price. It's crazy affordable. And I'm sure you guys have shopped at Temu. You find something that's cheap and it's like, well, this is a piece of and I was worried that this was going to be the same thing because it's very reasonably priced. And now with this thing is solid. So not only do you get the machine, you get a lot of cool other things like a tool setter that will automatically tell you where your bit is at. You obviously get all the tools and wrenches that you need to change out bits and assemble it. You also get a bunch of hold downs, a couple of bits to get you started, even a paintbrush. Not really sure why. It also comes with a remote, and I'll show you that now. So this machine comes with 3 hand adjustments so that if you wanted to, you can hand adjust your machine. But this thing comes with a remote, which is kind of like, why would you ever use those if you got this sweet looking remote? So you got your main page where it tells you where the machine's at. And this is going to control your spindle, so you can go ahead and switch it. Let's just switch it to the X coordinates. And let's move it at 1 millimeter. So all you do is set that to X and 1 millimeter. And every click of the knob, the machine's gonna move once. We'll switch it over to 10, just so you can actually see it moving. Switch it to Y. Oh, went the wrong way. I'm gonna go this way. And of course your Z. So this machine is actually so accurate. You can go 10, 1, 0.1, or 0.001, which if I move that, I mean, I'm clicking it a bunch. You're never going to see that move down because it's going down such a small increment. And that is where it's super helpful to set that part. And the home screen tells you exactly where that spindle is located on the map of this machine. And every time I move that, this moves. So when you buy the machine, WizMaker sends you a flash drive, and on it is a program called Candle. That is where you're going to be able to access this machine through a computer and do a whole bunch of cool fancy stuff that I'm still trying to figure out. But we got the machine on, the spindle's working. WizMaker was nice enough to send a file in that flash drive that you can automatically put into Candle and test out this machine and how accurate it is. So here's the Candle app that this machine comes with. You can see here the image of the eagle that is provided with the machine. And if you zoom in, every one of these lines is a track that this machine is going to run. You can turn the angle and see how the Z is going to have to go up and down to provide all these contours. And overall, it seems like a pretty beginner-friendly program. So for this G-code, right here is the spindle. This is where you want to start your machine. So we're going to go ahead and get that set up. I taped down a piece of maple, and that's where I'm going to do my design. We want the spindle as close to the workpiece as possible, so I'm just going to jog it down and using a piece of tape, make sure I'm as close as possible, but not quite touching. And from there, all we gotta do is click start. And absolutely crazy. I thought it was gonna be pretty cool. I did not think it was gonna get down to this level of detail and to come out so clean. I thought there was gonna be like chips and burls everywhere, but this looks great. So currently we have a crazy cold front coming through. I think it's about -11 degrees right now, and it is not looking like it's warming up. My shop is here in my shed, and while it's insulated, it's not that insulated. So I wish I had a little bit warmer weather. It's fine if it's like 10-20 degrees out here, but I mean, this weather's ridiculous. So I just want to show you guys a couple projects that this machine is capable of. We will get to them. Just with this crazy cold weather, I can't be out in my shop right now. So make sure you subscribe so you can see all these projects in action. And hey, I hope that you're at least able to stay warm. But don't forget to grab a beer and build something.